Start button, go to design entry CIS. If you click this, it will ask for license. You have to take the second option and you have to click OK, and this page will get open. This is the drawing page of the software. Okay, next you have to go for file, new project. Okay, so here if you see, you have to create a name for your project. For example, first experiment is here, Kirchhoff's current law, so I am giving as KCL. You can give your name also, whatever name you want you can give, and you have to select this analog and mixed AD. Okay, this PCB is for PCB design and this is for PLC logic, and this is for schematic where you can want diagram alone, means we can select this thing. Okay, so you have to select analog or mixed AD and you have to give OK. So it will ask for whether I can create a project based on the existing project or new project. Since this is the first project, you have to click create a blank project and click OK. So now the window will get opened. So this is the space you are going to draw your circuit. So first, for Kirchhoff's current law, what we are going to do? We have to draw a circuit. For that, I am going for place and piece-wise components, passive component, resistor. So if you click that one, I will have resistor. So you drag it and click it, it will get pasted. And to come out of from this mode, you press escape key, so it will go. Okay. If I want another resistor, again I have to go to place, piece-wise component, passive OR, then I have to do this thing. Okay. So you have to select the resistance and you have to place like this. Okay. So resistor 2, and if you click Ctrl R, it will get rotated. So I can place the other resistance also. Okay. Then escape. So I have placed the resistance. So you can select it and you can drag it to change the positions. So I have fixed 4 resistance. Now I have to select 2 sources. One is current source, another one is your voltage source. Again you go for place, piece-wise component. You will have source, current DC source. You have to select it, and if you click Ctrl R, it will get rotated. So I am pasting here. Then as usual escape, you can come out from that current source mode. Then again you go to place, piece-wise component, source, voltage sources. In that I am selecting DC. So here I have to paste. So now I have finished the selection of components for the circuit. Now we have to join the circuit. So in the right hand side, you have a toolbox where there is a shortcut for some of the toolbox. For example, this is the wire, and this one is your auto connection of 2 point, and for ground you will have. So I am taking the place wire component. You have to start from the component's edge, like a line you draw, and if it comes nearer to the another component, leave the click, it will get connected. Similarly, start a click, you have to move and you have to end it with another component. Similarly, you have to connect all the components as the circuit what you are going to analyze. Okay, give escape. So I have finished drawing the circuits now. Now we have to give a ground, because every circuit works when there is a connection of ground. So you have to select a zero source ground. It is very important. Zero source ground. Click OK, and you place anywhere you can place. Okay. So just click it. It will get pasted. So now I have drawn the circuit with resistor, sources and ground. Now what is the remaining part? We have to select the values. So what is the value of this current source? Close this one. If you double click this, you will have this one. So what is the DC source current value? 5 ampere. So give it as 5. And the resistance value is 10 ohm. Give it as 10. Okay. And this resistance is 3 ohm. I'm taking as 3. Give OK. Similarly, this value is 5 ohm. And this value is 1 ohm. You can select whatever values you are having in the circuit, and the voltage value is 10 volt. So now we have given the values of the source as well as the thing. Next is we have to simulate this component. So for that you have to select this PSpice and you have to create a new simulation profile. So for that also you have to give a name. I am giving as KCL. You give whatever name you want, create. Then you have to edit this simulation profile. Here there is a edit simulation profile. Go there, you can select which type of analysis you want, either time domain, DC sweep, AC sweep, etc. So I am selecting time domain, 1000 nanoseconds, and these data are start saving after 0 seconds. Now you click OK. Then if you run the system, it will take 2 minutes and this will show PSpice netlist generation complete. Okay, so now you can see the circuit get simulated and you have seen the values. So what is the value? Current through 10 ohm resistor, it is 1.98, exactly it is showing. So here are the markers. If you see here, if I disable this voltage, the voltage components get disabled, and similarly current component. These are the indicators. If you click this, you will get the voltages and current values. Okay, but now if you see the graph is empty. So for that you have to place the markers here. So this is a voltage marker and this is a current marker. So select a current marker and place it wherever you want to measure the current. Okay, 3 resistors, and now if you see, this will show the current flowing through the resistors. What is the value? So this is how you can see the values through the different resistors, or you can see with the values indicated through the circuit also. This is how you have to do your Kirchhoff's voltage law simulation.